What's up, people? I have this little assembly here of that tiny transformer in the Leipold, and it goes to direct neutral, and that hot wire goes up to a switch. It goes into the meter box, which the switch is grounded by that red wire. And that meter box has 122.9 volts in it, AC. That's definitely a DC transformer, so I'm going to put this cover on this Ziploc container. I'm going to put the camera right here with my phone. I hope you can see that. I'm going to put this electrical glove on, flip the switch, and hope I don't have a fire. How do I throw the switch? Well, let me go get another electrical glove. Okay. Here it goes. I hope I don't blow anything up. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Don't know if you heard that. It's an iPhone camera, but it's pretty good. De-energize it. I'll unplug it. No power. Let me open this up. Sorry. There it is. Look at that. Whoa. That brown mark. Anything happened to the transformer? Not even hot. Surprising. That light bulb is incinerated. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's just another explosion video, I guess.